Yeah, look.
This is an entrance, right? An infinity pool, outdoor pool, spa. Really nice space to relax. You can see just that beautiful sea view. It's a glimpse of it and it's really, really special. Gives you that.
Hey, I'm in the Costa del Sol.
So last week I visited the KOS with Ian, a brand new development in Higuerón, and this is what that looked like. Check it out.
Hey Kian, how are you? Good to see you.
How you doing, man?
Welcome to the KOS. Come on in and take a look.
Whoa. Yeah, look.
This is an entrance, right?
This is an entrance.
Yeah.
Look at this.
A really amazing open plan living space, kitchen. You get the feel of space. I've been
looking forward to see this property.
Yeah.
Because you've been talking about it for
I keep
so
talking
long
about
in
it.
the office, and it's the first time I see it. I love it. Very nice open plan, nice and calm. Warm tones.
Yeah, lots of light, lots of neutral palettes, and it's just really, really beautiful. It gives you a villa feel, townhouse feel, which is really, really special.
So Ian, while we're here, right, before we go and see the terraces and the view and all the outdoor amenities, right, let's talk about the property itself. How are these properties laid out?
Okay, so there's essentially 3 rows, okay? There's 36 sky villas, they're called, in total, so it's quite a boutique development.
I mean, 36 is boutique, isn't it? 36
really
neighbors,
boutique.
nothing.
Yeah, really, really amazing. And you've got all the same amenities you always would. You've got an infinity pool, outdoor pool, spa, gym, co-working, so it gives you everything that you would expect for a new development. But the twist on this one is it gives you a lot of space and it gives you the perception of living in a villa or townhouse. Living space and bedroom space are on separate levels.
So what we see here is, obviously this is furnished, properties are handed over unfurnished generally.
Correct.
But properties are handed over like these floors, these kitchens fully kitted.
For example, to give you an idea, this rib defect is an upgrade. The kitchens will be handed over in more of these neutral tones, okay? There are a lot of different upgrades. For example, you've got the media wall, which in most places is an upgrade. Here at the KOS, I think if you're going for something like this, the furniture pack is highly recommended. I mean, that's a must in my opinion, because they're gonna do it perfectly for you.
Yeah, you can see the level of detail, the attention to detail is great. So Ian, we've seen the inside, we've seen the kitchens. Let's have a look at these terraces.
Absolutely.
I mean, this is what it's all about. After you.
Perfect.
This is what it's all about, right?
Yeah, I mean, each level has its own outdoor space and terraces, okay?
Yeah.
So this is essentially your main floor terrace, okay? You've got space for sun lounging, lunch, coffee, whatever you want to do. And obviously you've got lovely views, okay? Obviously you can see behind us it's still a building site. So this is still a new development in process. So this show house is really exceptional because it allows people not to have to use their imagination when buying off-plan.
You can see exactly what they're going to be looking like.
Feel the spaces, get used to the square meters, because for some people that's a little bit harder. This gives it to you. And of course you can see just that beautiful sea view. It's a glimpse of it and it's really, really special.
So every floor has a terrace.
Correct.
We're going to see the best to last, right?
Save the best to last. We won't even talk about it.
Exactly. So we've got terrace here, terrace downstairs, and what we'll see last episode. Okay.
So 4 bedroom units, okay? 1 bedroom on the main level here. There are 3 bedroom units in this development as well. But
so
in
3 and 4 beds.
Exactly. In the 4 bedrooms, you got 1 bedroom on the main floor, okay? That's ideal maybe for someone older or for someone that doesn't like the stairs. And then 3 bedrooms downstairs. So I think it's really good if we go down and take a look at bedrooms then. Let's do it.
I'll follow you.
So again, you're using the flow of the inside space. And this is really giving you that feel of space.
I mean, this is just lovely.
Also really important to note is that in a lot of places stairwells are quite tight and small, but you can see how much width they've given you. So it really gives, again, the perception of the size.
The bedroom you're talking about, right?
This is the bedroom, the 4th bedroom on the main floor.
Yeah, got it.
You come down here and it's a really, really clever use of space. You've got 2 of the guest bedrooms, okay, with both access to the terrace themselves.
Lovely.
Okay. You've got like a makeup station, so no one's holding up the bathroom, because we know we like to do our makeup in the mornings. Don't know about you. You've got a really large bathroom to share between those 2 bedrooms, okay? So good sized bathroom. Really good sized bathroom. And then you've got the laundry room in here. That's a bit boring because I don't really know how to do laundry. But it's just here if you'd like to see it. And then we go straight into the master suite, okay? The master is massive, okay? You've got a bath, which is really quirky. Not for everybody. You can jump in if you want.
I agree. This isn't for everyone.
No, it's not for everyone. What I call it is hotel-esque living, okay? So this is very much a hotel feeling. You don't have to keep the bath, you can get rid of the bath, but it does come included. Finishes in this are really interesting because you can get a lot of higher end finishes in terms of like the detailing on the wall, etc. And then everything else are upgrades that you can do. But you can see how cleverly they've utilized every point of space here.
I completely agree.
Even the finer details, wardrobes with LEDs, everything. They've thought about it, you know? It feels like someone went to the effort of thinking about it. And then a really beautifully fitted out bathroom.
Let's have a look.
Neutral, calm, won't upset anyone with different design tones, and you can really do what you want with it. And it's a really good space.
You can just really tell that the level of attention to detail, the quality, the flooring, you know, I think like the wooden carpentry, you can just tell they've put a lot of thought into everything.
Yeah, even the lighting, it feels warm.
Yeah. So we've seen the living space, we've seen the bedrooms, the bathrooms.
Correct.
I want to see the solarium.
Well, the solarium's the best part. I mean, that's the surprise that no one ever expects.
I'll follow you.
I think the solarium, to be honest with you, is where most people's time is going to be spent.
Yeah,
so usually a lot of these units are kind of like, let's say 140, 150 square meters usable. And then another additional like 90 square meters of outside space.
So you literally have just above 200 square meter and more, right? 240, 250 square meter of living space.
Correct, which is huge.
Yeah.
You come up to this really amazing atrium and you're hit with that view.
Okay? I really love what I'm seeing.
You know, it's spectacular, okay? They come with the pool, it's a nice plunge pool, really nice space to relax. And then it gives you that, hey, I'm in the Costa del Sol.
Hey, I'm in the Costa del Sol. I like that.
I am here.
I mean, you got an outdoor kitchen, plunge pool. I mean, this is like a second lounge. This is your outdoor
This is where you're going to spend most of your time. You're going to fill the fridge up with drinks. You're going to have food here. You could probably do your whole meal up here for everybody and really just enjoy. Look at it. You've got people at the bar enjoying the view, chatting, a bit of music on. It's a really unique feeling here. So you've got the fire pit here, and then you've got in the distance the port of Fuengirola. So by night you're going to see the glistening lights from the port, which is really, really special. And then if you come up here, okay, each unit has one of these really nice plunge pools. And this is Higuerón. This is the KOS. So, Ian. Yes.
Let's talk about location, because some people might know Higuerón, some people might know the KOS, the location. Most people won't.
Okay.
So let's sort of paint the picture. Where are we? How close are we to amenities? Tell us about the location.
Yeah. Well, you did an amazing area guide of Higuerón, so I'm sure people can check that out.
Actually, we'll link that here.
I nearly stole your line. Linked here. Higuerón. Really special location in between Benalmádena and Fuengirola, okay? It's become its city on its own, okay? You've got all its amenities, all its spa, and what I really like about this location is it's very familiar with Americans who love the resort concept of living. There's so much offered to you here, and it's becoming a new way of life for us Europeans who are looking for a bit more lifestyle, right? We are now looking for that balance.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that's where we are. We're at the bottom of Higuerón, okay? So we're walking distance to the train, to the beach, okay?
How long is it walking to the train?
You can get down there in 5 minutes, okay? Because there's actually a beautiful path that their developer are constructing, as you can see down here. So it's pretty flat to get down to it. And then you're on the beach. So location-wise, it's a very good location within Higuerón, because Higuerón can be quite hilly, depending on where you are. So this is the entry level to Higuerón, which is amazing. And there aren't many things like this in Higuerón. This gives you huge amount of space.
I mean, you're buying essentially, even though they're not, villas, but it gives you a villa feeling.
Exactly.
So
but not for villa prices.
Not for villa prices. So what I take away from this, Ian, is we're talking about 36 units.
Yes.
150 square meters inside. Plus another 80, 90
80,
outside.
90 depending on the unit.
So
some have gardens, so you might even get a little bit more.
So 250 square meters of space you can use, right? Yeah. Nice views, amazing qualities.
Yes.
Tell us about the handover date.
February next year. Okay, so as you can see, they're progressing really, really well. They're selling very well at the moment as well.
We have seen these beautiful properties. Yeah. We've seen the materials, we've seen the qualities, the location. I've got a perfect sort of beautiful overview of them. Now, for our viewers, tell us what the starting price is today in the KOS for a property just like this.
You can get in on the KOS from 1.1 million for 3 beds.
1.1 million euros for a house like these, with these qualities in the location. That's absolutely incredible. We're going to leave the link to the KOS in the description of this video, so in the case this could be interesting, you can check out the brochure which is in the link in the description of this video, and I think we'll also link the Higuerón area guide.
Why not?
Just if you guys want to understand a bit more about Higuerón. And I think that's a perfect wrap, Ian.
Absolutely, I'm glad you came along today.
Let's say bye to them.
See you later, guys.
Ciao, ciao.